In the countryside, rainy days bring a special feeling, making everything softer and more peaceful. The rain not only nourishes the plants but also brings us closer together as we gather to make comforting food. Today, it's a light rain, and our family has decided to bake strawberry bread, a favorite treat, especially on days like this. We start by gathering simple yet fresh ingredients: strawberries picked from our garden, flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Everyone in the family has a role, from the adults to the children, making it a joyful team effort. We mix the flour and sugar, then add the eggs and milk, stirring until the batter is smooth. Fresh strawberry slices are gently folded into the batter, making it look even more delicious. We pour the batter into the pan and place it in the preheated oven. While the bread bakes, we sit together, listening to the rain and sharing old stories. And now, our strawberry bread is ready. The sweet aroma fills the kitchen, and everyone is eager to taste it. On rainy days like this, gathering together to make delicious food has become an essential part of our life. Strawberry bread is not just a treat but a symbol of love and family bonding. Thank you for joining us on this cozy rainy day with our strawberry bread. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss more stories and recipes from Cozy Mountain Kitchen. See you in the next video.